When we formatted this list as a table, a name was assigned to this list. A name was actually assigned to the cell, the range A1 to H271. To see that name, up in the formula bar to the left, you'll find the name box. And if you click the down triangle on the name box, you'll see there's an area that's been named Table 1. If I click Table 1, I can see that that name has been applied to this list. What I'd like to do is cover names in a bit more detail. So for example, I'm going to the sheet called Targets at the bottom of my screen, and I'd like to select this entire list. So I'm going to press the key combination Control A, which quickly selects the list until it hits a blank column and until it hits a blank row right at the bottom here. What I'd like to do is now name this list using the name box. If I click in the name box, I can name this list Target List. Now the thing with names is you're not allowed spaces, they have to be one word. So I'm going to type Target List, one word, and press Enter. And now this range can be referred to as A1 to H271, or it can be referred to as Target List. Let's name a second range. For instance, if I click in G1 and then press the key combination Control Shift down arrow, that quickly selects all the data in column G. I'm then going to click in the name box and I'm going to type Deadlines. When I press Enter, I've now named that range G1 to G271 as Deadlines. I might name a third range. If I go to the sheet database at the bottom of my screen and I click in the list and press Control A to select the entire list, I'll then click in the name box and give this range a name also, and I'll call it Forest List. And when I press Enter, I've now named my third range. If I want to look at the named ranges, I'll use the Name Manager. For example, if you go to the Formulas tab in the ribbon, you'll see a button called Name Manager. And what I might do is I might actually add this to my Quick Access toolbar. So I'll right click this button and then left click Add to the Quick Access toolbar. If I then click on Home in the ribbon, I can use this button to quickly manage my names, and notice the shortcut key combination is Control F3. If I click this button or press Control F3, the following dialog box appears. And these are all the ranges I've named. Here is the one that Excel created when I formatted my list as a table, and here are the three I've created, which have quite a different symbol. If I want to rename Table 1, I can click the Edit button, and I can call it my Targets Table. And OK. It also tells me the range it refers to, but I'll click OK. And here's Targets Table, so I'll click Close.